Welcome to Gift Tech Solutions. In this video, we'll explore how search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a powerful role in digital marketing. Whether you run a business or want to start a career in marketing, mastering SEO is essential. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It involves optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results like Google. This means more people can find your business when they search for related products or services. SEO is crucial because most online experiences begin with a search. It helps your website appear on the first page of Google, where most clicks happen. SEO not only boosts traffic but also builds credibility and trust with users. Search engines use bots to crawl websites, then index the content and rank it based on factors like relevance, keywords, and backlinks. Using the right keywords and high-quality content helps improve your SEO ranking. There are three main components of SEO. On-page SEO involves the content on your site. Off-page SEO includes backlinks and social signals. Technical SEO focuses on the back-end like website speed and mobile optimization. On-page SEO techniques include using keywords naturally in your content, optimizing meta tags, structuring headers properly, and adding alt text to images. These steps make it easier for search engines to understand your content. Off-page SEO is all about building your website's authority. Get backlinks from reputable sites, promote your content on social media, and collaborate with bloggers and influencers to grow your reach. Technical SEO focuses on how well your website is built. Ensure it loads fast, works well on mobile, uses HTTPS for security, and includes structured data to help search engines understand your content. There are many tools to help you optimize your SEO. Google Search Console shows your site's performance. Google Analytics tracks visitors. SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz provide competitive insights. Yoast is great for WordPress users. SEO should be part of a larger digital strategy. Combine it with content creation and social media marketing for better results. SEO is a long-term investment that requires regular monitoring and improvements. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to boost your online presence, start learning SEO today. Enroll in our digital marketing program at Gift Tech Solutions. Visit our website and take the next step in your digital journey.